homes. So a lot of old people, a lot of physically or mentally challenged people will be here. My former roommate here was a filmmaker, and he just finished producing a movie called Buskashi Boys, and much of it was filmed here in this old market.
So is that a little small mosque there?
Yes. Here.
You say it was Shia?
Shia. Not Shia. Shiite is the American term for Shia. It's Shia.
That was fun, man.
Yeah, I'm glad you came along. I'm pissed off that it didn't go exactly the way I wanted it to,
Yeah.
but
Dude, I want to check this out.
Oh,
We wait for our cab?
No, we're gonna call.
Look at that. Are we wait for our cab?
It's not a cab, it's my car.
Or are we waiting for it?
Yeah. Go right ahead.
Selamünaleyküm. Okay, cool. Hello?
Kaçta komat bu?